Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Honor 90 Lite device, and now I'm gonna show you how to resolve the problem when your screen is not respond. So, of course, sometimes we need to take our device to the customer service. It's because we have the hardware damage of our device. But if the damage is software, so we just need to force restart our smartphone. To force restart this Honor device, you just need to press and hold together power and volume down buttons. Press it during 10 seconds without releasing it when smartphone takes a screenshot. Then you will feel vibration, and when you will feel vibration, release the power and volume down buttons and just wait until your device boots. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.